As you know, I love to craft, and I typically do bigger crafts where I need a hot glue gun. Well, in most cases, I'm constrained by the cord. The cord has to be plugged in, so I found a solution. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any things you want to see, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you would, give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the POPULO for the people, or by the people, for the people hot glue gun. Now, in this package, you're going to get the instructions, a charging cord, hot glue stick, and of course your charging base and your hot glue gun. So I already opened this up so that I could make sure it was charged before filming the video. So there is no glue sticks in it yet, but if you would like to know the price or how I purchased it, it will be linked in my Amazon store below. So we're going to go ahead and stick this glue gun in here. I'm not sure how quick it heats up. So we're going to go ahead and press this. And then once the red and the blue light's on, it's completely powered on. Now to charge it, you connect the charger right there in the base. The light will be red while it's charging and then will turn blue when it's done charging. So we're going to let that heat up. Let's look at the instructions while it's heating up. Now, when I found this on Amazon, I was completely excited because I was like, maybe I won't have to deal with the cord anymore. Because, well, as you know, the cord is a pain. So it gives you all the specifications. Heat up time says 25 seconds. Let's test that. Okay, so that should be 25 seconds. Oh, look, it turned blue. So I guess that means it's ready. So you got to push the glue stick in. All right, so today we're going to be making this wreath. And this wreath I actually bought last year from Michael's on clearance. It is a lighted wreath. So we are going to be doing this for my front door. So first things first, we are going to put our last name on it. This is my future husband's last name. It's Guevara. And so we are going to start by gluing this together. And it continues to go, but it didn't have any glue gun in or any glue stick in there, so it's just not coming out yet. Oh, there it goes. And it does take about 25 seconds. So that is pretty quick. We will make this wreath and see if we have at least enough time to do one project. And I hope you like the new area. So I decided to put a rose gold, black, and white Christmas tree up in my craft room. Rose gold is like one of my favorite colors, as well as black and white. And I really don't have like too much of a favorite color, so. And this is a hot glue gun, so you have to be careful. Don't be using it without adult supervision, specifically if you're a child. Okay, so got that. So we grabbed a couple of Sharpies and we are going to color these black. So there is our colored sticks. Let's put a little bit of hot glue to glue these together. And then we will turn this upside down like that. And put just a little bit on each letter, or each area of the letter. There we go. Let that cool a little bit. And like with any other glue gun, it is going to get everywhere if you don't put something down. So we'll clean that up in a little bit. So that is where we're at right now. If y'all find some glue sticks that don't leave little trails or spider webs, please let me know, because that would be great. All right, so we are going to put this at an angle on this reef like that. So now we have some ribbon and some ornaments. And today we are going to be using the red and green ornament. So now we're going to take this ribbon and everything I am using today will be in my Amazon store, except for this ribbon, I think. Well, if I find it, I'll put it in there. So we'll let that cool down a little bit before we mess with it anymore. And then make sure we have the ribbon facing the right way. So now what we're going to do is we are going to grab some ribbon and we are going to measure around like this. And we're going to get a few pieces, have it fit around in different areas. Start with one area at a time, and we are going to glue these ribbons. All right, so it lasted throughout the whole project. It is, ooh, it's been a whole hour and 15 minutes. So that's good. So now let's turn it on and show you what the final result is. I had one more thing of ribbon, but we're not going to use that one today. And there it is lit up. Super cute. Let me give you a close-up of the wreath we made today. There it is. Super, super cute. That will be going on my front door. Now for the whole reason for the video. It stuck really well. Everything's on there. Okay, so let's review the hot glue gun here. I absolutely, positively, 100% approve this glue gun. It works really well. It is a hot glue gun, a hot glue gun, not a cold temp glue gun. So that's one thing. Like every other hot glue gun, it's gonna have strings and stuff like that. But what I can say is this glue is a lot stronger than most of the ones that I've worked with. So be very careful of that. If you're a heavy crafter like me, I definitely recommend getting this hot glue gun. It did last throughout the whole project. Let's turn it off, okay? I did not burn myself not once with it, so that's a good thing, because typically you always burn yourself at least once, right? Or is that just me? Anyway, so the pros about this glue gun, it works really well. It's easy to load. It's it lasts a while. It lasted through that whole project. It holds real good. Like everything is on here, as you can see. And I mean, what else can you say? It's a hot glue gun and it's wireless. So I didn't have to worry about rolling the cord around, or is it stuck on this, or did it knock things over? So that's a good thing. And I really don't have anything negative to say. So if I were y'all, I would go and pick up this glue gun. It's definitely worth it. Like I said, I'll leave it linked in the description box down below, and I think I found my new best friend. So if y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.